Tired of scrubbing your shower by hand and getting nowhere? Let's talk about the Pura Clean Shower Scrubber, a powered cleaning tool that claims to turn hours of work into a job done in just minutes. Is it the solution we've been waiting for? Or should you think twice before clicking that Buy Now button? Let's break it all down. The Pura Clean Shower Scrubber is a motorized handheld tool designed to tackle soap scum, mold, and grime fast. It promises to help you clean your entire shower in minutes, with less effort and fewer chemicals. If you've been stuck using sponges or sprays that don't work, this could be the upgrade you've been looking for. Here's what stands out. It's eco-friendly. You can cut back on chemical sprays thanks to its powered scrubbing action. It delivers quick results, powering through soap scum, hard water stains, and mildew in seconds. The design is durable, built to last, so you're not constantly replacing it like those cheap brushes. It ships fast with free express delivery from Sydney across Australia and New Zealand. And it comes with a 60-day risk-free trial. Don't love it? Send it back, no questions asked. It's perfect for anyone who hates scrubbing floors and walls by hand, wants easier cleaning without harsh chemicals, has hard-to-reach corners in the shower, or just wants to reclaim their weekend from household chores. But before you buy, check this first. Before buying from any site, even one that seems trustworthy, take a moment to protect yourself. First, check the product listing. Are they offering expensive items at unusually low prices? That's often a red flag. Look at the product photos. Are they high quality, or do they look like they were copied from somewhere else? Visit the About Us page. A legit store will clearly list a real company name, physical address, and how long they've been in business. Check the contact info. Is there a working phone number? A business email? Can you verify the address on Google Maps? Search for external reviews. Don't just trust the ones on their site. Check Google, Trustpilot, or SiteJabber for real customer feedback. And use a domain checker. If the site was created just weeks ago and has no track record, be cautious. Before you buy from any site like this, check all of these details. It takes just a few minutes and can save you a lot of stress. So, does the Pura Clean Scrubber deliver? If you're looking for a faster, easier, and more eco-friendly way to clean your shower, this product checks a lot of boxes. But always double-check where you're buying from. Protect your money, your time, and your peace of mind. Have you tried the Pura Clean or any powered cleaning tools? Drop your experience in the comments below. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's tired of scrubbing their shower the hard way. And of course, stay tuned for more honest reviews, buying tips, and ways to avoid online scams.